Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We should be playing some Subway Surfers today. In this video, playing some Subway Surfers, pretty easy, you know. Gonna do one for a while, just random stuff over the weekend. So a little beginning, I didn't actually just completely do it. I just decked out my locker. I just didn't do that. I just did a couple stuff on it. Like in here. Like this is all I've been doing for the last couple of days. So if I get that one, there's a Chinese board. So you play a quick round in here. Can we get a reward? That's just super glitzy. I try and beat the top one on the right and the daily high score as well. If you beat that, that'd be so good. I think top one's my high score, I believe. He has new features or something. How am I supposed to get up there? Jump up here, go there. We'll go from there. Let's jump onto the train. These trains go into each other. Do you realize that? These trains are basically hollow. They can just drive through a train. You see a slow train, then a fast train, and your mark know it's going to go through something. And just like there, this came right through it. There's the box. Oh, I was gonna die there. RAM, perfect. Now, I like how in Subway Surfers you just jump from building to building. You can just jump with the boot just to go building to building. 4 more. How much of these did we get in this round? Nearly everything. Oh, I thought I was gonna die there. If I try and get up there, I can. I simply can. You literally can't get up there. Unless you have like jetpack, whatever. Then be able to jump things. See, look, I only need and it completed in 1 round. And how many got up to 100,000 yet? Yeah, like you can't. It's very hard to get up on top of that, though. Very hard. I tried before. I died in this. Oh my god! There's another letter right there. That's mad. I just blew up this thing. I literally went like, Jesus, I'm gonna die. Oh Jesus, that was so hard. Oh my god, that was so hard. Yes. How much marks did I even pick up? Go back and watch that. See how much of them shoes did I pick up in that round. So Berserker's not even in there. 88,000 plus 88,004. Oh my god. That was so hard. Jeez, that was so hard. Oh my god. Okay, so need pick up 3 keys. Collect 8,000 coins. Let's play in Seoul. Let's just do a round in Seoul. We will do in there. Now this is what I remember. I remember being in Tokyo. The train was so nice there. I completed a lot of characters in there. But I completed maybe I got so much bored, so much. You're in there for near 2 weeks or something. I was grabbing a lot of stuff. I was breaking my records and all. Like this not like China. I think that building there. So it does need 3 more, 2 more to get that reward. We're only on a couple, so we need to get. So we have roughly around 7 days to get up to 20 though. But then we will be under 15 though, so I definitely need to get the double. I love that. This is my favourite. I love the trains. The trains are a lot like so India, not India. Sorry, a lot like South Korea and all. I remember being here. I think it was Japan came here after. Like yeah, these pogo sticks really. They're all dead. Bing Magic Box. I don't like how you can't actually. Very hard to guess like. Get them rewards in the shop and all. Have to get them in the subway. One more anyways. What am I doing? I was gonna die there. Oh, how do I jump? I'm literally jumping from train to train. Damn it, I'm so close to getting that. What the hell? Oh, I forgot. Oh my god, how did I forget about that? Having coins, you can see it go up anyways. Let's go into Rio next. Let's go to Rio. Or let's go to somewhere anyways. So you got Plant Invasion. Let's go into let's go into Rio. Let's go into this mystery thing in Rio. It probably might take like 4 more runs and that's it. I was only in Rio for 3 days because Buenos Aires absolutely effed me up. I never got to the last stage in this game. I've never got to the last stage in this. I died like the early first of the stage and all. But other than that, I don't. I think we're coming up to it. No, we're not. Oh. Oh, Jesus. So it's last 2 or 3. Okay. We will just continue on from that. We'll play 2 more. Oh, this is the last round in here. Before we will do 2 more rounds in Sydney. In 1 event and 1 regular. Oh, clean. I think there's a lot of like these like going rollings. Oh. Okay, so that's the last round in Rio. Let's do that in a minute. We'll do that later. Okay, Sydney, right, this event. Can't play as this. What is it? Let's search for. Hey, I can play any of these characters. Let's play as this character, this one. Of them. What? You're going like less than 100. He has to wait 2 hours to recover. Oh god. Okay, so let's get one of these. Just keep it going. It is on down, but then we are making progress. Get one of these. Let's get some coins. Oh, is it 20 seconds of our time? See, look, I have these boots, but then it's way too hard to actually get in there. Oh my god, that's so hard. Come home, a lot of things to do in this. This will be the last run of the day. So let's play. I'm not just going that one. So I want to get some coins. Look at this. The start of it, you barely get coins. So, and then like that, I think you won't have the start of it, but then. How did I miss that? How? Let's check on my board. New board, of course. Damn it. What the hell is the next special token or whatever? Not that what I wanted, but I'm trying to get away from coins. I can't get away from them. Oh! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh my gosh. How did that happen? Hey, 7,333 coins. I will take that. So, peace.